Alright, so found the problem out with the Mitsubishi. It was the starter making all the grinding noise. So I went ahead and put a new starter in it. Yeah, I added a little bit more trans fluid. No more. Yeah, that's methanol. Got new headlights. I'm recording YouTube.
Oh.
Yeah. Yep.
Yep.
Got new headlights for it, new fender. Basically just wanted to update what was wrong with the Eclipse. And for the rest of this video, it's all gonna be with the pulls of the 135i. Right now. Oh yeah, the wheel fell off. We got a new wheel on it. I forgot about that. Yep, so wheels on too. Yeah. New headlights, new fenders getting ready to go back on. And then she'll be a good car again. So the rest of this video will just be clips of the 135i and the turbo noises. What's the turbo noise this time?
I've been brake checking.
Oh shit, green light.